Hey, what's up guys? So I have a drawer adapter here, so I'm having the issue with the drawer a little messed up. So this is supposed to help. So let's get it open. You can see there, bracket. Maybe we'll have a little card. These are for two, so you get two of these. These are your brackets. And then we'll go just like this. And the other one will go over here. Okay, so this one will go back here. So basically you put it just like this. This will go right here. Okay, so you screw it in here. And now you bring this down until you get to this side and put the next one. Okay guys, so you have to have it just like this. Strap. And now the jar won't come out. Very good. Perfect.